What's up guys, today I have an unboxing to make and I bought this product from eBay. Let's go ahead, first of all unbox it, let's see the product and we'll take it from there. So guys, the product which I ordered is the Nest. This is a premium product which has been recently launched by Nest. Let me go ahead and just unpack it. So guys, I've just unboxed the Nest doorbell. So this is a latest product from the brand called Nest, and it's called the Nest Hello. It's wired, it doesn't come with a battery. I previously had the Ring doorbell and that was the most terrible product in the market, overpriced and terrible. I've been using the Nest thermostat and the Nest Protect devices along with the Nest app, and they are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and set this bell up, run through the process, and just follow on the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing so that you can follow up all my videos. And guys, let's go ahead and unbox this product first of all. So as with all Nest products, they come in this plastic packaging. Very well protected. This is the bell. It's got that shiny finish, a microphone hole on the top, doorbell button, that's for the camera, so after I install it I can just pull that out. So on the rear we have the two screws, barcode over here to scan and to set it up on your mobile app. That's the USB port to reset it or to flash the firmware, but really you don't need to do that once you connect it through the Wi-Fi. On the bottom you have a speaker. In terms of build quality, I really feel it's a premium product, looks really nice and it really feels solid as well. So comes with some leaflets. So that's it. A sticker, so you can put it outside your home. You have the setup, so quite simple. Open up the mobile app, connect the chime connector to your doorbell, and that's it, replace your doorbell. So very straightforward. So in the box it shows you, it gives you a wall plate, a chime connector and some screws. That is guys the chime connector. And here we have a drill bit with the Nest logo on it, some spare connectors, a SIM ejector pin, 2 extra screws with some wall plugs as well. So the packaging is no doubt excellent, comes with everything you need. That's the door plate if you need to put it at a certain angle. That's the rear plate to which it'll be fixed onto. Hey guys, so this was my unboxing of the Nest doorbell. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do follow my videos, and I will basically post another video on the setup of this Nest doorbell. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.